Dear students, today also we'll continue with exercise 1.1. Question number 1 and 3 I will discuss today. Okay, so first of all, I will tell you question number 3, which just now Anjali has asked. And today's date is 25th of March. I'm telling you for any number. Okay, I'm not taking the question from directly from your NCERT. I'm taking a random one. Okay, suppose the question is written like x value is -2. Okay, the value of x is -2. So what you need to do is just wherever the place of x is there, you need to put that value. So for example, if you take this one, if you take LHS, because you have to verify this, ठीक है, एंड इसको डायरेक्टली भी अगर आप सोचो तो माइनस माइनस प्लस होता है बेटा, तो प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू ऑलरेडी इट विल बी ओनली देयर. So if you take LHS suppose and you are putting the value, देखो पहले से माइनस है, I have written minus, then again inside minus है, I have written minus. Now only in place of x I will put here -2. Here it was a small bracket, तो यहाँ पर एक आ जाएगा आपके पास मिडिल ब्रैकेट. ठीक है, now you can see we have 1 2 3 साइंस इन टोटल. तो पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इसको ओपन कर लेते हैं यूजिंग ब्रैकेट सॉल्यूशन. तो माइनस माइनस विल गिव यू हियर प्लस, ठीक है, एंड दिस इज माइनस, सो इट विल गिव यू हियर -2. ठीक है, एंड व्हेन इट विल कम -2, you are knowing this is the value of x only which was given in the question. ठीक है, -2 ही तो था हमारा x का वैल्यू, it has come is equals to x only. ठीक है, so x is equals to -2 now. And if you do it, suppose I take any other example, suppose x की वैल्यू दी हुई है आपको 11/15. ठीक है, only one thing like 11/15 दिया हुआ है, then if you it was -1, now I am taking it एक positive के लिए. How will you do? It is telling about minus x, so I am taking LHS. LHS is minus x. Now let us put this minus, again minus the value of x, that was only 11/15. ठीक है, now you are knowing when you will open the bracket, minus minus will convert into plus and 11/15 will remain like that only. So 11/15 आ गया, and what was the value of x only? That was 11/15. फिर से घूम फिर के वही आ गया, so it is again x. So this is LHS is equals to RHS, and this is verified. I hope it is clear. The first thing, if you will see, question number 1A is written in the question that you have to solve this question using property. Don't solve directly. First thing, because I know that you can be using BODMAS and you will be solving it by using DMAS and you will be doing this question thoroughly. But remember, this question is telling that you have to use property and then solve it. So don't do it directly. Now move on to the properties. As we have already studied in the previous classes, all kind of property which is used for solving question. Remember, closure property we will not apply here because closure property is not used for solving the question. We can use commutative, we can use associative, and also we can use distributive property. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले once you see the question and see what can be done. Once again repeating what I said, if you will see, we have total 3 terms. Always remember, terms are separated in the form of plus and minus. Okay, so the first term was this, second term is this, and the third term is this. If you see first term, it is multiplied by 3/5. Second term is alone. Third term is also multiplied by 3/5. So what I am doing actually is I am just taking the terms which can be operated by using property. I am taking all those terms together, and you are knowing that if you just transfer any term or you change the order, can you tell me what property is that? Name of that property, please mention in the chat box. So as you all can see, we have 3 terms and I am taking 2 terms together, and तीसरे वाले को I am keeping it at the last, so that is called associative property. So according to associative property, मैंने इसको लिया और इस वाले टर्म को मैं यहाँ लेकर के आ गई 3/5 into 1/6 and remember you cannot change the sign, you cannot change the sign will remain that only, माइनस था माइनस के साथ उठ करके आया ये, ठीक है। नाउ द लास्ट टर्म इज लेफ्ट दैट वाज आवर सेकंड टर्म, वो चला जाएगा सबसे किनारे, दैट इज 5/2. Now this property is associative property, so I will write it down this thing. And remember, for this question you need to mention the property name also in each step where you are solving that. Okay, so this is first step which we have done it now. Ab now just see this question thoroughly and मुझे बताइए what is common in these two steps. Question number अब हमारा question जो है वो change हो गया. Now tell me which thing can be common from. Remember 3/5 is here also, 3/5 is here also. So I will take it out 3/5 common. The sign of multiply will also come common. And what will be left inside? Here it will be -2/3. Now यहाँ से 3/5 बाहर आ चुका है बेटा, तो यहाँ पर माइनस का साइन अभी भी बचा हुआ है ना, माइनस का साइन अभी भी बचा हुआ है. So we'll write it down that sign of minus and then 1/6 and 3/5 already common आ चुका है, ठीक है. And this property which we have taken out something common from it, this property is known as distributive property. So we will mention this one again, distributive. Okay. Now the last step will remain like that only. इसको हम कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे. It will be 5/2 only. We will not touch that number. Okay. Now tell me by using chat box whether understood or not. If you will see this question, now it's become very simple now. Just you need to solve the bracket. 3/5 will remain same. Now you know that I have already taught you when you add fractions or when you add rational numbers, you just need to do the LCM of denominator. So 3 and 6 का LCM will come 6, ठीक है. And then you will be doing it नीचे divide ऊपर multiply. So यहाँ पर आप 3 and 6 को divide करोगे, you will get it 2 and ऊपर आ जाएगा 2 2s are 4. So that will give you -2. Then remain minus will common here, same sign. 6 divided by 6 which will give you 1 and 1 1s are 1. ठीक है. This also I have written it now. Now plus 5/2, plus 5/2. Now move on to the next one. 3/5 into -4 -1, which will be added together will give you -5/6. Then plus 5/2 will remain same. Beta, don't add this 2. Remember you are using Demas and according to Demas, जब तक इसका मल्टीप्लाई सॉल्व नहीं होता you cannot add these two terms. ठीक है. तो पहले इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. So how will you solve it? 5 से 5 will get cancelled. 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. Now क्या आ गया सॉल्व होने के बाद? ऊपर बचा -1, नीचे बचा आपके पास 2. This is plus and this is 5/2. Now both are like terms. So 5/2 minus 1/2, which will give you directly 4/2. And 4/2 means only 2. Finished. This question. If you will see this question, again this question has 3 terms. First term, second term, and third term. If you will see this question in a proper way, you will be able to see that इस वाले में भी 2/5 है and इस वाले में भी 2/5 है. And if I need to solve this question properly by using property, I can take this step here, okay, along with this, and changing the position while doing addition. You are knowing that property is known as associative, because in before question also we have done that. So let us take that step. 2/5 into -3/7 plus 1/14 into 2/5. I have written it together and ये माइनस वाले स्टेप को मैंने सबसे लास्ट में ले लिया 3/2. Okay, and I will write it down over here, associative property. This is known as associative property. ठीक है. Now move on to the next step. If you are knowing this is 2 by 5, this is 2 by 5. Gayatri, you are telling that, ma'am, you have I have confusion in distributive property. Once you go through with this, I am explaining it to you once more here. Just see this. वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी कहती है बेटा कि अगर आपके पास इफ यू हैव समथिंग कॉमन इन बोथ द स्टेप्स, अगर आपके पास कोई भी दो टर्म्स हैं और दोनों में एक चीज कॉमन दिख रही है तो आप उसको बाहर एज अ कॉमन ले सकते हो. ठीक है. इन द होल द मल्टीप्लिकेशन, फॉर एग्जांपल 2/5 is here also, 2/5 is here also. The sign of multiply is here also, sign of multiply is here also. So you are taking 2/5 as common with sign of multiply. Sign of multiply also you are taking it common. Now जब आप ये common निकाल लेते हो तो you will get only -3/7 here, and here you will get it the sign of plus which was written in the question only, and this is 1/14. I have written over there. Now the last step, that is -1/6 into 3/2. Now you are knowing if I have to solve this one, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, it will also get cancelled. ठीक है. तो अगर आप चाहो तो उसको सॉल्व करना, so it will give you 1 1s are 1 and it will give you 2 2s are 4. I have written after simplifying. And this property which we have done it as common, this property was distributive. So don't forget to mention the name of property. So I've written over here, this is distributive property. Now move on to this step. This is 2/5, sign of multiply. Now you are knowing the LCM of 7 and 14 will give you 14 only. Now 7 2s are 14, which will give you 2, and 2 3s are 6, which will give you here -6. Sign of plus will remain plus only. 14 when you will divide, it will give you 1, and 1 1s are 1. Okay. Now move on to the next step, that is 2/5, the sign of multiply, and -6 plus 1, which will give you -5/14. Okay. And this is -1/4. Again, understand, don't solve this 2 because it is in multiply this one. So first you need to solve this step and then this will be solved. How will we solve this? 5 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 and 2 7s are 14. कैंसिल हो गया. बचा क्या यहाँ पे? केवल -1 ऊपर और नीचे बचा केवल 7. सेम थिंग बाहर माइनस बचा एंड यहाँ पे 1/4. तो यहाँ पर you have -1/7 and -1/4. Now when you solve this one, the LCM of 7 and 4, which will give you 28, and just take the LCM over here, which will give you here -4 and -7. After नीचे divide ऊपर multiply वाला process here, when you will do it, you will get it -4 -7, which will give you answer -11/28. Finished. -11/28. Remember beta, the first exercise is completed now. Okay, the first exercise is completed, and